So I have my English translation open right here. Right here is inline, which will put the Greek and all of the other lexicons, the morphology right underneath it. And this is typically what I've used in the past in sermon prep work. I'm preaching Colossians this coming Sunday, and hence all the commentaries that I've got minimized underneath here. But honestly, I didn't really even know about the reverse interlinear until this week. So really grateful for it, to be able to continue to have the English translation all right up here, and just to be able to click on a word and go to it down here. I like the fact that it highlights everything for me just in one quick row, leaving me some space up here to continue to read the English translation. And then if I want to bounce back, just turn it off by clicking there, and then can go back to the inline if necessary. So again, this is the screen recording for opening the reverse interlinear.